Large language models can write software, so you're wondering, will AI replace programmers?
That's impossible.
Well, the director is a highly advanced quantum AI program, and I'm the lead programmer, so no.
The answer is no. In fact, AI will create even more demand for programmers. Welcome to episode 21 in our Generative AI series. Some programmers are nervous about being replaced by AI. This is understandable because LLMs are getting really good at writing software, and some are predicting the end of programming jobs. Well, stop worrying because they're wrong. I've been writing software for 40 years, and I've seen countless predictions about technology replacing programmers. All have been based on a misunderstanding of the work. While writing code is a big part of the job, it isn't the most complex or the most important activity. Creating software takes, well, creativity. Much of a programmer's time is spent defining problems, breaking them down, and troubleshooting. Programmers also design, run, and evaluate experiments based on rapidly changing technology. And it is a social skill that requires great communication. In short, a programmer's most valuable contribution isn't writing code, it's thinking. Of course, AI can now do some of this work, and it will dramatically drive down the cost of creating software. This is already happening. I can solve some problems with LLMs in 5 minutes that previously took a team of engineers 5 months. Since AI makes each programmer vastly more productive, we will need fewer programmers, right? Well, no, because the falling cost of software will be more than offset by an increase in demand. Competition will drive companies to automate every business process with AI, and they will need programmers to do it. In fact, one of the world's biggest problems is a shortage of software. Let's perform a thought experiment to prove this point. Think about any job you've ever had. Now imagine having a team of 5 engineers dedicated to building software just for you. Would you run out of projects for them? Of course not! You would ask them to build software to fetch and organize data, perform analysis, process email, and design a robot that fetches your coffee. And as your job keeps changing, you would task them with new and more complex problems to make you more productive. So, why don't you have this dedicated team of 5 engineers today? Because it's too expensive, not because you don't need more software. The increased programmer efficiency from AI will be more than offset by an increased demand for software because we have such a shortage of it. This trend has happened with all prior technologies. Ruby on Rails, Linux, and MySQL reduced the cost of building web applications by 10x. But the demand for programmers grew because more companies needed websites to stay competitive. Ultimately, I can imagine AI being better than programmers at all tasks. But since most of what programmers do is thinking, this AI will be capable of replacing all current human work. Now, I have no idea what would happen, but I do know you won't be pondering your career choices and I won't be making YouTube videos. Of course, programmers do need to adapt and learn how to develop against the LLM interface. For a list of skills, download our AI Systems Engineering job description. The link is down in the show notes. Now watch this video I picked out for you, episode 8, where Justin and I explain the developer experience building applications with LLMs.